Here we start with something very fundamental, and the question is, what exactly is light? Something that you have been saying since the time you took birth. What is that? The most common form of the source of light is sun. So what exactly is light? Light is nothing but energy which actually gets transmitted, and when it strikes on any surface, for example light coming from sun, when it strikes an object, then it gets reflected. And if your eye is here, then it creates a sensation here at the back of your eye, the retina, and from there this sensation signal through nerves goes to your brain, and then brain perceives this signal in the form of what you call light. So the role of eye is basically to capture this reflected energy and then transmit signals of this to the brain, where you get an idea of that you are seeing something. So technically light is invisible, but when light falls on objects, then this light creates a sensation in our eyes, and the sensation is perceived as an object. So it is the brain which sees objects. Your eye is just a way by which brain uses the signals to process it. Speed of light is very, very high. In fact, light travels 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters in 1 second. This implies that if the distance, let's say between two countries, is 2000 kilometers, so this will be 2000 into 1000, that is 2, 1, 2, 3 and another 3 zeros, and you could say this is this many meters. So now see, in 1 second how much light actually travels is 3 and then followed by 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this many meters it will cover in just 1 second. So here you had only 6 zeros and here you had 8 zeros. So you can imagine how fast this distance can be covered, which is actually 2000 kilometers, and it will be covered actually in just 1/100th of a second. So light speed is very, very fast. Now there are two types of bodies. One is luminous. These are all bodies which emit light. So sun here, or some stars, or in fact some insects also, they are luminous because they emit light energy. And non-luminous, as the name signifies, are bodies like a tree, a stone, or let's say furniture in your house. They are not emitting any light, but they are only reflecting light from other sources into your eyes. So therefore they are called non-luminous.